Hello and welcome to CraftedBricks. This video is going to be a very short update to supplement the how to buy Lego parts on BrickLink tutorial video that I recently published. I'm going to cover off an alternate way to update your parts wanted list after placing an order that I think for anyone who's using BrickLink to buy Lego parts for a mock, custom Lego model or standard set modification will find really useful and important to know. Before I dive into this, I want to thank Paco from the BrickLink store Aussie Brickster for suggesting that I cover this approach and share it with you. I'm going to use the wanted list I've created for the Batman cowl face modification as my demonstration example. I've already placed 2 BrickLink orders for the parts for this modification, and in this video, I want to show you a very quick and easy way to update the have quantities in any of your BrickLink wanted lists. From the wanted list page, click on the wanted list that you want to update and then select Apply Order. Shown on screen in my example here is a list of the orders that I've recently placed that I can select from to fulfill and update my wanted list. Note at this point, you can actually click on the order number for any of the orders you've shown to see the parts that you bought in that particular order. If I go ahead and select an order that I want to apply the parts from, BrickLink shows you for the parts in your wanted list the quantities that you want, have bought in the order, and then want to apply from the order to your wanted list. You can make optional adjustments to the quantities to apply, and then once you are done, at the bottom, select Apply to List. And after this, you can see that BrickLink has automatically updated all of the have quantities in my wanted list for all of the parts based on what I purchased in the selected order. I can then go ahead and repeat this process to apply other orders to my wanted list. And finally, if I view my updated wanted list and set the hide items if have quantity is greater than or equal to the wanted quantity filter to on, and I can see that for this list, after making all those updates, I only have 2 part types still to order to complete this list. And that's it. I think this is a very quick and efficient way to update wanted lists after placing any order, and I'm very glad that Paco pointed this out to me and that I can share this tip with you. That said, I do feel that this update approach is best suited to updating wanted lists where you're ordering for only one wanted list at a time, as it may be somewhat tricky to apply multiple orders across multiple wanted lists at the same time, where there are part types that are common across several of your wanted lists. I also prefer to progressively delete parts from my wanted list order by order in a rolling manner so that my wanted list gets shorter and shorter as I go and are easier to manage. I explain this approach in my main tutorial video. That's all from me. I hope you found this video to be helpful and useful. If you have any questions about ordering parts on BrickLink, simply leave me a question in the comment section of this video or in the comment section of my main tutorial video, and I will get back to you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.